Before going to main content, let me narrate you a story. Story of 3 minions. 3 minions have assigned to deliver a packet and they have total 3 bikes. But the main problem is here, only 1 minion knows how to ride a bike. Other 2 don't know. As soon as task got assigned, the first minion ride the bike and went to deliver the packet. Other 2 minions left wondering how to deliver a packet. So they get a very clever and very basic idea. One minion was sitting on a bike and other minions were pushing from the back. It's a slow and tedious task, but still it will manage to do your work. Imagine now, instead of minions, we have engineer working on a project. Instead of bicycle, they have some automated tool that can speed their work. The only engineer who knows how to use this automated tool can be more productive as compared to the engineer who don't. Learning tools such as Bash empowers everyone, deliver result more efficiently and faster. A Bash script is a plain text file that contains series of commands that Bash shell can execute. It automates our boring stuff. It allows to run multiple commands at a time. Create a file with .sh extension. It's not mandatory, but yes, it's a recommendation to create with .sh file so that you can know that it's a shell scripting. Example, hello.sh. Start is shebang. This time, tell a system to use bash shell while running the script. Write your command. Let us assume we want to see on terminal some message. Write the command. Give the permission. For giving permission, we use command chmod. chmod +x file name .sh. For Windows user, you can use WSM.